Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Sanjida Sultana from Tesol Elementary School and Tesol, Bangladesh. I'm here, the science and mathematics teacher. Today, I'm going to conduct a very small but exciting science experiment video. So let's get started. Today, we are going to discuss how light behaves into different mediums, in air medium and in water medium. We know air is a less denser medium than water. Water is more denser than air. When light passes from a less denser medium to a more dense media, it changes its direction. It is called refraction of light. So, let's do an experiment of it. At first, we have taken 1 glass of water, plain water. We know that air is less denser than water. And we have drawn an arrow in this white paper. And we have directed this in that side. We can see. When we will pass that arrow from this water media, the direction will be changed. So let's see. This is water media, and outside that water media there is air. So when light will pass through from the air to the water, let's see the change in the direction of this arrow. So you can see. So, we can see when we passed that arrow from this water media, the light from the air passes through this water and then comes to that object, and then it will pass to our eyes. For this reason, the direction of this arrow flips and becomes exactly the opposite of the real direction. This is called reverse arrow experiment, and this is important to explain how light reacts or how light behaves in different densities of media. So that's all was for today. I'll be back with another exciting science experiment video in the next sessions. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.